Hi, good evening. It's me again, Shine, coming to you live from North Carolina, USA. So, time check, it's 9 p.m. here. And tonight, I will be sharing with you about morning routine. So, bakit nga ba importante ang morning routine? So, kasi when you begin your day or when you start your day with intention, it sets the tone for the rest of the day. Like, it will help you prioritize your tasks, or you'll be able to define what you want to achieve for that day. Well, it doesn't necessarily need to be a complicated routine, as long as you are comfortable in doing it, and I think you can call that a routine. For me, actually, I only have 2 routines in the morning. So the moment I wake up, I'm just taking a few moments of silence, kasi in those moments of silence, I can find clarity on my thoughts. I can just think about my feelings, and then later on I can naisip ko kung ano yung mga gagawin ko for the rest of the day. And then the second thing is I'm saying a little prayer. Prayer for the gift of life, and then for all the blessings that I receive for the day, big and small, everything in between. So for those who doesn't have a morning routine yet, maybe I can share 3 things. First, you just have to start small. Like, don't overwhelm yourself with too many activities at once, kasi you won't be able to finish, or you won't be able to achieve it if pagsasabay-sabayin mo siya. Second thing, you just need to be consistent, kasi in a routine naman, consistency is more important than perfection, diba? And third, you can adjust it anytime. Like, find ways where you can be comfortable. It will be comfortable for you and your lifestyle. So, yun lang. Like, hindi naman siya kailangan necessarily maging complicated. Hello, Tito Mox. Good morning. Good evening na dito sa amin, actually. So, yun lang. So, I hope I was able to share some valuable things about morning routine. And kita tayo ulit tomorrow for another Go Live. So, good night, everyone. Good night, Tito Mox. Thank you for watching.